Well, hello and welcome back. Let's discuss peer-to-peer crypto sales and why you should probably avoid this option for now. There are a number of websites online, such as paxful.com and localcryptos.com, which act as an intermediary to help you find another private individual to buy your cryptocurrency or one that will sell cryptocurrency to you. These P2P exchanges, as they sometimes call themselves, then take a fee for putting you in touch with the other person. And they may also offer some form of escrow service to safeguard the cryptocurrency being bought or sold. I strongly recommend that until you have a lot of experience with purchasing and selling cryptocurrency, that you avoid the peer-to-peer cryptocurrency market. These sites are havens for scammers who exploit legitimate customers. Either you will receive a fraudulent bank wire payment for the crypto you sell, or you will not receive the correct crypto that you've purchased. The list of techniques that scammers use to defraud people on P2P crypto sites is very long indeed, and you'll often find them using hacked bank accounts or stolen credit card numbers. As I just said, I strongly recommend you do not use P2P crypto websites, at least not just yet. I personally avoid them as there are much easier ways to buy and sell cryptocurrency. If you do see a too good to be true, once in a lifetime price for crypto on one of those sites, probably being sold at a stupid low price as the seller is in some kind of emergency and needs your money now, then guess what? It really is too good to be true and will almost certainly be a scam. So in conclusion, in general, you're going to get the best prices from a reputable crypto exchange. Oh, one final note, and this is more about exchanges than P2P sites. Please never use the Russian crypto exchange Yobit. I can say without fear of any legal repercussions that those people are thieves. In fact, they're some of the worst thieves in crypto, and they're not going to sue me for making this claim, I assure you. When we get to the section about scams, I'll tell you my story about Yobit and how they scammed me for crypto coins that today would be worth around $40,000. But for now, if you see Yobit's name pop up anywhere, please just avoid them. Okay, well, we've covered a lot of ground in this section. If anything's unclear to you, then you can always go back to those lessons and rewatch them. I strongly advise you do this anyway, as the lessons will make a lot more sense to you the second time you view them. But for now, thank you so much for your time. I hope you're enjoying the course so far. And remember, if you have any questions, please reach out to me. I'll get back to you as quickly as I can. For now, that's the end of this lesson. And when you're ready, I'll see you in the next lesson where we round up this section.